Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all fans of Boss Madam, ang aming malinggit na magandang baby. Say hi! Say hi! Say hi! Come on. Look! Say hi nga eh! Ano? Ay! Say hi! Come on! Let's say hi! Hello po! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of the people of the world! Hi! Kamusta po? Kamusta po kayo lahat? Comment anything you want to know. Say hi, Boss Madam. Are you eating? Are you eating, Boss Madam? Hmm? Kanya po ay nagkakain po siya ng scrambled egg. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Follow po kayo. Subscribe sa aming pong channel. Good vibes lang.